Please explain the master plan.
We're surprising Jon with his best friend flying from Norway to see him.
Hey, you guys don't know me, but I'd like to introduce myself as Jon's best friend. There is one problem in his life. You know what it is? He's just too kind. You're gonna have a blast having this guy aboard on your boats.
Had my leg been straight, the shockwave would have come through my leg and damaged my hip.
Oh, but it was meant for the time.
Yeah. So it was my knee that got damaged.
You ready?
Filled up the water, but filled up too much now. It's leaked through the pipe when it's gone along the wood. Just a normal day in Papageno. Excellent. This is what we're doing at the moment. Don't know why, but the door's swollen. We're pretty much just doing everything we can. The door's swollen, it won't shut. So we're just trimming down this really old rubber. The place is going through a huge sort out. We've been living with 5 people, and it's a working area as well. I know exactly what you're thinking. So I've just emptied all the cupboards. We got given a load of food, so I'm trying to sort out all the compartmentalization, whatever, putting stuff away. Cockpit needs a good scrub, but because we're out in the engine all the time, there's no point keep cleaning it, so we're going to wait till we finish the job and have a good clean. And then we have tree bed up here.
The bolt for the boom, attach the boom to the mast.
Excellent. Jon has been working really hard on our engine. So our to-do list is We've got to buy some battens for the sails, finish the rig. We've been trying to get these guys to finish the last few cables, but in all honesty, it's been an absolute nightmare to get them to come. Dinghy parts of our dinghy's a bit screwed, so Jorn's trying to help us with that. Reef of fuel and water, provisions. Got the radio, need to get the antenna. Got to sort out the anchor locker because when the further came, well, it's complicated. Got to pay the Marina, clean boat and organise. So all in all, there's a lot of stuff going on, but it feels pretty good. We're all working together as a team and getting a lot of stuff done. Okay.
Tommy, what are you up to?
What we've done is that we've pumped it up, we've covered it in very liquid, and we're just seeing where the bubbles are. Ah, this is where the air patches. This is the old patches where it got reinforced last time, but we know there's 3 somewhere, so we're just checking over.
Back into it. Tell us.
Bye Ben, you got the paddle?
Yeah, we've got a paddle.
Not looking good, Liz.
No, it's your mum. I don't mean that, I don't mean that.
At least you're coming back in.
Want to give a comment? No?
So close.
Okay.
Dum dum. Dum dum. Dum dum.
Woo!
Just only go backwards in it.
See you in St. Lucia.
We'll stay here then. See if it sinks.
It was a success. We're alive. It's very hot. And I've got tummy ache because I ate too many wotsits.
What are you doing here?
We're refueling the fuel for the dinghy for Pamela.
I thought you'd broken down.
No.
We were thinking, oh, should we bring the jerry cans? But
No, it worked
didn't.
well. Dion was like, where do you want to go? The beach? And I was like, home. Would you like to go and ride it more live?
yeah, can do.
Excellent.
Revs.
Going in the right direction.
You can't go under with 3 barrels, and I'm gonna tell you, you can't go under with 3. We are broken down halfway across the Atlantic Ocean. Food and water ran out 3 days ago. All we have is a smidgen of beer, and Jorn here is trying to get the engine started, but he can't do it! And he's broken it.
Jorn breaks everything, including women's hearts.
Oh, Spanish lighting.
That's it?
Bye.